Let's see what's wrong with the rod thread here. Sketch. We don't really need this, to be honest. So close it, select the cut extrude, press delete. Yes. This feature, to be honest, is a feature that you add at the end of the product. So once you decide that, okay, this is a dimension that I want my product to be, then I have to add this feature. So it's not really important right now. So press delete to not bother us anymore. Select edit component to exit the component. Right. Let's go to the equation, turn everything back to the initial value, 125. Select save. This is very important. Save your document. And I will see you in the next tutorial, which we're gonna have a look of how to insert equations for these holes here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.